Do you know what is the fastest way to change to manual focus with Olympus Pro lenses? Hi, I'm Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. The m.zuiko Pro lenses have a clutch in the front part of the lens. By pulling it towards the camera, it will change the focusing mode to manual. It's on manual when you can see the distance scale in the lens. There is also a MF text in the LCD and the viewfinder. So if you think that your camera is broken because you cannot switch it to autofocus, check the MF clutch first. You wouldn't be the first one to do that. There's a link in the description of this video to a list with all the m.zuiko lenses that have the MF clutch. If you don't like the clutch, it can be turned off in the menu. In the OMD EM1 Mark II it can be found in the custom menu A3. Manual focus is very handy in some situations, even though the AF is very good in most situations. When taking pictures of the night sky, it's impossible to use autofocus, for example. Manual focus is also recommended if you're making panoramas. Also when filming videos, manual focus is commonly used. This was the 6th episode on my series of videos using Olympus. After you have subscribed to my channel, then watch the previous episodes if you haven't seen them yet. Thanks for watching and bye for now.